Hello, my dear students, and today we are going to do some MCQs questions for class 9th English Beehive chapter 8. Reach for the top with answers. So, let us start with question number 1. During her training period, other pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and order Maria to clean the room, to cook for them, to make them desserts, all of the above. So, correct answer is to clean the room. They order Maria to clean the room for them. Okay, next the question number 2. Maria put all the humiliations and insults during her training period to pursue her education, to pursue her music, to pursue her dreams for tennis, to be the richest tennis player in the world. So correct answer is to pursue her dreams for tennis. Next the question number 3. Sarapova loved reading novels of Sidney Sheldon, Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, Arthur Conan Doyle. Correct answer is Arthur Conan Doyle. Question number 4. What are Sarapova's hobbies? Fashion, dancing, singing, reciting. Both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. She loved fashion, dancing, singing, both. Now question number 5. What's Sarapova's mantra for success? A. Being competitive. B. Working hard. C. Respecting her job. D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 6 is, what was the most important thing for Maria? To earn money, to do a good business, to become number 1 in the world. Correct answer is to become number 1 in the world. Next, the question number 7 towards you students. Maria is associated with Serbia, Siberia, Moscow, Paris. She was from Russia and Siberia. Siberia is in Russia. Okay. Next, the question number 8. Correct answer in this is Siberia. Next, the question number 8 is, depressing treatment in the US made Maria weak, nervous, timid, tough. The correct answer is tough. Tough means to tolerate everything, every humiliation, every criticizing. Okay. Next comes the question number 9. Who went to United States with Maria? Her mother, her father, her grandmother, her teacher. So the correct answer is her father, because her mother was not able to go with her because of visa restrictions. Okay, so question number 10 is, when did Maria Sharapova get the world number 1 position in the women's tennis? Correct answer is, no, options are 22 August 2004, 22 August 2005, 22 August 2006, 22 August 2007. The correct answer is 22 August 2005. Okay. Next, the question number 11. Maria Sharapova belongs to England, Russia, Germany, America. Correct answer is Russia. She was born in Russia. She was a Russian woman. Next, the question number 12. What is considered the roof of the top? What is considered the roof of the world? Children's both the parts of the reach of the top, that is, first part is from Santosh Yadav and second part is from Maria Sharapova. So both are mixed in these MCQs. Okay. So this is from part 1, associated with Santosh Yadav. Okay. What is considered the roof of the world? Roof of the world. Sky, stars, top of the Mount Everest, or all of the above. So correct answer is top of the Mount Everest. Question number 13 is, what shows her concern for the environment? Collecting 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, climbing mountain, helping other climbers, all of the above. So the correct answer is collecting 500 kilograms of garbage. Okay, students. Next, the question number 14 towards you. Santosh was fully equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, mental toughness. The correct answer is all of the above. Okay. Next, the question number 15 towards you. For where did Santosh do her graduation? Rewari, Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai. Correct answer is Jaipur. Okay, question number 16. What does the Santosh means? His name was Santosh Yadav. So what was the meaning of the name Santosh? Contaminant, discontaminant, greed, bravery. Meaning of his name was contaminate. Santosh means contaminate. But his name was totally opposite to her because she was discontaminate. Okay, question number 17, students. What was the name of Santosh Yadav's village? Joniavas, Haryavas, Beriavas, or Janavas? Correct answer is Joniavas. Now, question number 18. What request did the unborn child's grandmother make to the holy man? Blessing for son, blessing for money, blessing for milk, blessing for a daughter. Correct answer is blessing for a daughter. She blessed for a daughter. Now, question number 19. What led Maria to the path of success and why couldn't her mother accompany her? Her trip to US for playing tennis, her mother couldn't accompany because of visa restrictions, her habit, her play, her mother. So correct answer is A, that is her visa restrictions. Question number 20. So, why was Santosh under pressure? She had to study. Her parents were asking her to get married. She wanted to work. None. So, correct answer is her parents were asking her to get married. Okay, question number 21. How much garbage did Santosh bring down from the Himalayas? 200 kilogram, 300 kilogram, 400, 500. So, correct answer is 500 kilogram. Okay, next your question number 22, students. Whom did Santosh save with artificial respiration? Rohan Singh, Sohan Singh, Mohan Singh. Correct answer is Mohan Singh. Next, your question number 23. When was little Maria packed off to US and for what purpose? And with whom? At the age of 9, at the age of 14, 15, at the age of 10 for training in tennis with her father. Correct answer is D. Next, your question number 24. What did Santosh fight against? Traditional irrational system, her parents, society, people of village, traditional irrational system. Question number 25. How did Santosh feel after reaching the top of the world? It was a spiritual and proud moment. Tired, exhausted, fatigued. Correct answer is it was a spiritual and proud moment. Next, the question number 26. What happened when Santosh scaled up the Mount Everest for the first time? She won. She hoisted the flag. She became the youngest woman to achieve the feat. None. So the correct answer is she became the youngest woman to achieve the feat. Question number 27. Why did senior climbers praise Santosh for being helpful to teammates, physical fitness and mental strength, climbing skills? So the correct answer is for being helpful to teammates. Next, your question number 28. In what words did Santosh express her feelings at the summit of her Everest climb? A. Fabulous. B. Indescribable. C. Fantastic. D. None. Correct answer is indescribable. Next, question number 29. How was Santosh attracted to mountain climbing? Her neighbors promoted her, seeing her friends, her classmates promoted her, watching some people going up the Aravali Hills. So, correct answer is watching some people going up the Aravali Hills from her hostel room. Okay. Next, your question number 30. So, what kind of girl was Santosh? A hardworking girl with a strong mind, a brat, arrogant? None. The correct answer is a hardworking girl with a strong mind. Okay. Next, question number 31. What did Santosh prefer to wear? Shorts, suits, saris, long kurtas. Correct answer is shorts. Question number 22. Question number 32. Why was Santosh sent to a local school? They were rich because of prevailing trends. They were poor were not able to afford to send to the school. D is the correct answer. Sorry, students, B is the correct answer. Because of prevailing trends, because of prevailing trend. Okay, next the question number 23 is towards you. What which incident showed that Santosh was concerned about her teammates, giving artificial respiration to them, helping during climbing, giving sticks during climbing, greeting during climbing? So correct answer is giving artificial respiration to them. Okay, so these were 33 questions from your chapter Reach for the Top for class 9th English. And at last I would like to say thank you for watching my video, and hope it will be very helpful for you. And please like share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment if you have any kind of doubt. Bye bye everyone.